how to draw Mrs. Scrundle. As you can see, this is Mrs. Scrundle. All you really need is a piece of paper, a pencil, and maybe an eraser. Okay, let's get started. So first, we're going to do her hair. We'll actually first draw a big circle. Once you've done that, I'm going to draw a small line there, and another one over there. From up here, big line, go touch it. Together. And same with the other. There. So then we're done her hair. Now, as you can see, the left side is smaller than the right. So, smaller, bigger. Yeah, I don't have to color it. And then add a smile. Mrs. and Mr. Scrundle is always smiling. Okay, like the opposite of Mr. Scrundle, she has fat arms, he has fat legs. So, I'm going to make this go like that. I'm going to connect that. And again, just go down like that. Down. And over there. If you want, just add her name. Thanks for watching.